Aga?
Sabi! Escape! Sabi! Battle between Melbourne and Steve Works. Good luck, both teams.
Huwag mo takot bagay kay Koyo.
Look, people between Nazares and Magdalas. First possession, napunta sa Steve. Puri sumalaksak. May sira. Nagod, Ruben Nazares for 2. 2 points for Nazares. Gutierrez sent the play. Pass to Bautista. Magdalas back to Bautista. Gutierrez plays. Gutierrez to Bautista. 10 seconds to shoot. Bautista pass to Yama. 2 points for Yama.
Huwag kayong malikot.
Pass to Manalese. Pass to Puri. Begin to shoot. Manalese plays. Manalese penetrates. Same ball. Shot clock, 11 seconds. Azares inbounding the ball. Pass to Puri. Sa gitna. Puri to Azares. No good. Everybody. Magkalas ang sa Weezer. Drop ball. Steve. Melbourne ball. Gutierrez.
Tignan mo.
Gutierrez, set the play. Haras by season. Begin to shoot. Gutierrez will agree. No good for Azares. Azares nagdadala ng bola. Azares penetrates. Bumangga. No good. Rebound D. Yama. Pass to Magdalas to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Magdalas. Magdalas for 3. No good. Rebound Ramos nagmamadali. Still in Gutierrez. Ito na si Gutierrez. Gutierrez lays it up. Gutierrez for Gutierrez. Manalese Aras Bayama. Pass to Ramos for 3. 1-2 rather. No good. Everybody Magdalas. Magdalas pass to Gutierrez again. No good. Everybody Manalese. Aras Bayama. Manalese, right? There's a Weezer. Foul committed to person number 13, Yama. It's the first personal foul, first team foul. Shot clock, 16 seconds. Muri. Pass to Ramos ilalim. Diba ni Bautista pass to Bautista. Bautista pass to Bautista. Pass to Magdalas to Bautista. Bautista pass to Bautista. 2 points for DJ Bautista.
6-2.
Azares on the other side. Sharing the play. Pass to Ramos. Back to Azares. Begin the shooter. Azares pass to Manalese. Manalese for 3.
Nice.
3. Address Bautista. Another play. Pass to Yama. Back to Bautista. Puri pass to Ramos. Pumersa. It's a Weezer. It's a
Nice.
Foul. Foul committed with the jersey number 24. Bautista, it's your first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus, second team foul. Bonus throw para Ramos. Ready jumpers. Complete the triple play. Change favor of ball. 86 in favor of Steamworks. Gutierrez. Pass to Bautista. To Gonzalez. To Gibson. Gutierrez for three. Gutierrez. Three. Azares using the game clock. Azares amas kay Gutierrez. Pass to Manalese.
Shoot oh.
Manalese to Ramos. 15 to shoot. Ramos to Puri sa gitna. Puri takes. Puri shots. 2 points for Puri. Magdalas to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Bola ng Steamworks. Manalese. Pasupuri. Paso sa ilalim. Azares. 2 points for Azares. Remaining time 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Bautista. Paso Bautista. Bautista. Medio by Azares. Azares na babali. Ismail. Ismail Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Gutierrez na nasa. Drop shot. Ismail. 2 points for Gutierrez.
10-12. In favor of Steamworks.
Azares setting the play. Azares using the screen. Azares putting the jumper. Okay. It's a turnover. Bola na. Medford. Gutierrez to Magdalas. Magdalas for three. Magdalas. Three. Puri. Puri to Ramos. 15 to shoot. Ramos for three. Go good. Bautista. Bautista to Gutierrez. Gutierrez na babalik. Magdalas. Pagkula to Gutierrez. Go good. Bautista.
Uy.
Oh, the jersey number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. Back to the ball game is first quarter. Remaining time 12 minutes and 58.
What to do?
Bautista pasó Magdalas. 2 points for Bautista. Ramos. Ramos. Pass to Season. 15 to shoot. To Puri. Puri. Pass to Season. Bola ke rin to cover. Forget the lead. Bautista. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. 2 points for Gutierrez. Manalese.
18-12.
Pass to Azares.
Melbert.
Back to Manalese. Manalese. Penetrates. Manalese. Leaves it up. No good. Ramos Perez. No good pa rin. Ramos pa rin. 2 points for
Nice.
Ramos.
PJ, sab.
Automatic substitution. Bautista ay nagdalit. Takip po ng mga jerseys. Salamat. Gutierrez, pass to Bautista. Tumagas for 3. Marcos! 3! Mahilig ng kamay.
Kumain ng somay yan eh.
Kumain ng somay, sabi ni Ate Mitch. Puri. Pass to Azares. 15 to shoot. Puri to Manalese. Manalese takes. Back to Puri. 10 to shoot. Puri.
Yun lang.
Deflects by Bautista. Play ball. Shot clock, 8 seconds. Substitution na. Season out, Castillo in. Puri, pass to Manalese for 3. No good. There's a weekend. Foul, committed by jersey number 14, Azares, it's yours. First personal foul, second team foul. Gutierrez. Pass to Bautista. Magtalas game. No good this time. Di ba ni Manalese? Manalese naman ang nagmamadali. Manalese aras by. Pass to Azares. To Puri. 15 to shoot. Ramos. 2 points for Ruben Ramos. Bautista. Pass to Gutierrez.
21-16.
Gutierrez, ready to play. 15 to shoot. Gutierrez for 3. Over, Ruben Ramos. Pass to Azares. Azares to Manalese. Manalese. Good shot in the solution. Pushing ball to the jersey number 18. At back, it's yours. First personal foul, 13 foul.
Pop! Walang two shot yan kung nag-shoot, meron.
Anspo.
Oh. Alright, first division 4. First number 18, unsportsmanlike foul. 2 shots plus ball possession. Azares. Kaya the shot is good for Azares. Second quarter. All will be scanned. Bola na, still, same ball. Castillo pasa Puri. Puri, Las Cavares, and it's a turnover. Official score, 21-17 in favor of Melbourne. Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Bautista. Bautista to Gonzalez. Gonzalez wins. Triana, back to Gonzalez. Thank you, Shilton. Gutierrez for three. Gutierrez, three. Cruzeiro to play, pass to Ramos. Ramos to Manalese. Manalese penetrates. Fakes. Pass to Azares sa gitna. Pass to Ramos sa ilalim. Ramos umuro sa Rizal. 3 seconds. Violation. Magbalas. Nagmamadali. Magbalas to Gutierrez on the spot. But no design when it won. There's a Rizal.
Sab.
Paul Dominic sa number 9. Magbalas. Substitution. Magbalas is your first personal foul. Running for penalty. Puri, selling the gray. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Ramos for three. Ramos, three. Bautista on the other side. Bautista. Looking for speed. Sorry to see Magbalas. Bumawi ng press. Magbalas, three. Nagkakaulanan ng press. Sinong nananalig? Puri. Bas to Ramos. Ramos. Puri ko siya. Logo. Bautista. Ito na nagmamadali. Bautista pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez on the Rizal. Foul. Foul. Gawin mo sa number 1. Grabe foul. Puri. It's your second personal foul. Penalty.
Di pa.
Sorry. Penalty foul.
Ano sa dad?
Magbalas. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Puri. 55 seconds. Remaining time. Foul. Committed again by jersey number 1. Puri, it's your third personal foul. Running for penalty. Remaining time, 50.3 seconds. Magbalas. Magbalas, pass to Yama. He finishes, Magbalas. Taylor and Jumper. Taylor and Yama. Yama. 2 points for the Zanito. Yama.
29-20.
Remaining time, 30 seconds.
Melbourne.
Azares, setting the play. Azares, pass to Ramos. Ramos for the lead. Ramos for the Pauleza. Ramos, 2 points for Ramos.
Iba.
Eto na, Gutierrez, 15 seconds remaining time. Shot close up. Gutierrez, using the screen. 13. Run! 10 seconds remaining time. Shot close up. Manalese.
ng konti.
Manalese. Manalese. Pastor Gonzalez. Okay, Pastor Ramos. Ramos for 3. No good. There's a whistle. Foul was for red.
Big, lamang mo kayo.
Foul against number 21, Castillo.
Big, lamang.
Castillo is yours.
Big, lamang
First
depensa.
personal foul, personal foul.
Big, lumamang ka kayo din. Lamang depensa mo kayo din. Lamang.
Gutierrez.
Kaya depensa mo kayo din.
Gutierrez out the play. Pass for Bautista for Gutierrez. Gutierrez again for 3. No mistake. Ivan Manalese. Pass to Chavez. It's a turnover.
Set, ball na tayo, set.
Oh, Gutierrez. Pass to Esteban. Back to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Gutierrez out the play. Pass to Bautista. Bautista Perez. Who's foul? Foul again against number 21. Castillo is the second personal foul. Second foul. 2 goals for Bautista. First goal para Bautista. No good. Second goal by the Jumpers. Second goal is good para the 2 goal Bautista. Azares.
Taps, may shooter.
Pass to Manalese. Back to Azares. Turano sa gitna. Pass to Castillo. May mapasa. Back to Rodel. Bautista. Pass to Azares. To Gutierrez for 3. Gutierrez, 3 points. Azares.
Taps, angat.
Azares held the play. Azares doing base to mix. Tayo na sa Manalese. Pagkit na shoot. Ramos sa gitna. Ramos. No good pa rin. Ring-on-ring. Rosales. To Gutierrez. Ito na si Gutierrez. Magkit sa whistle. Foul to the person number 2. Chavez. It's your first personal foul. 13 foul. Bautista. Bautista Pumersa. Bautista. Pastor Rosales. Bautista. Evershoot. Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Ivan Castillo to Manalese. Manalese nagmamadali. Manalese using showing slipping skills. Nawala. Game ball. Shot clock. 17 seconds. Substitution break. Gutierrez out. Gutierrez out.
Keep pahinga. Bilis.
Azares inbounding the ball. Pass to Ramos sa gitna. Ramos. 2 points for Rodel. Ramos.
Kim, ilalim ka. Kim, depensa, ilalim ka. Kim, away.
Magdalas. Magdalas. Pass to Esteban. Esteban to Rosales. Tumagdalas sa gitna. To Bautista. Back to Magdalas. To Rosales. No good. Chavez. Chavez. Chavez looking for his teammates. The one ball by Silvio Rosales. Rosales. Pass to Magdalas. Magdalas. No good. To Rosales. And finally, defense for Rosales. Ramos at the other side. Ramos ang tuloy starte. Ramos, Pumersa, next is Stanley Esteban. Pass to Magdalas.
Katalin mo.
Magdalas. Magdalas to Bautista. Bautista na pinapit sa lengua. Close foul ulit. Foul, decision number 82, Manalese, it's sir. First personal foul, running for them. One score for Puri, 15 to shoot. Puri penetrates. Still Montalas. No, allowing Puri. Ramos for two. Ramos, 3 points. Montalas.
40-27, Melbourne.
Montalas, ready to play. 15 to shoot. Pass to Bautista. Bautista. Back to Montalas for 3. No good, Liberty. Ramos. Ito na si Ramos. Ramos na ang nagmamadali. Ramos sumikot. Ramos na nag-diskarte. Ramos na ang bola. Erickson. Turnover.
Lee, Kim, stick. Teban. Stick. Partingin mo.
Montalas. Pass to Bautista. First hit number 3. No good. Azares. Azares. Pass to Puri. Pass to Manalese.
Iwan ko ba't
Team shoot. Puri. Pass to Manalese. Manalese for 3. Manalese 3.
40-30.
15 shoot. Montalas. Bautista 2. Bautista sa pose. Hey! Go! Hey! Forward evidence na natin. Bautista, substitution. Bautista is your first personal foul. First team foul. Puri, balik the ball. Pas to Manalese. Back to Puri. Bukas dito. Azares sa ilalim. No good. Iwan yung Montalas. Montalas. Kakapasok lang yan. Nakapagandang agad. Puri, alas bayangan. Puri, pass to Azares face. Azares, still Montalas. Montalas. Wala na tayo mga on-screen words. Ngayon, praise out. Ang Melbourne, may dalawa pa. Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 8 seconds for the second quarter. Puri setting the play. Puri. Pass to Ramos sa gitna. 15 to shoot. Puri. Pass to Manalese. Manalese for 3. Manalese 3. Mainit po ng kamay. Gutierrez. Gutierrez setting the play. Pass to Bautista. 2. The pass play.
Third. Fourth na? Fourth na yan, fourth na.
Game na tayo!
First round is good. Epekto ng bagong bubik. Kay Team Montalas. Second round, ready down first. Two out of three,
46-33, Melbourne.
Azares. Ramos, back to Azares. Azares to Ramos. Ramos for 3. Ramos 3.
Lumit.
Points. Gutierrez ready to play. Gutierrez behind the base. Gutierrez 3 points. Chavez, pass to Azares. To Manalese. Manalese, Perez, stays it up. No good. Delivery to Bautista.
Run! Let's go!
Bautista to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Esteban. Esteban, 2 points. Robert Esteban.
Wala na.
Kita sa inakin!
Wala na yung timeout, James.
Azares. Cover. Dito to Gutierrez. Ito na, Gutierrez. Pass to Lala. Azares. Pass to Manalese.
Team, angat!
Manalese. Pass to Ramos. Ramos na. Pumiesa. Pinasa kay Zizon to Manalese. Manalese for 3. No good. Second ball. Gutierrez. Gutierrez to shoot. Gutierrez. Pass to Magtalas to Bautista.
Bumaliktad, sorry.
Bautista. 2 points. Bautista. Ramos. 15 to shoot. Manalese. Second ball.
Second quarter pa lang, te.
Pass to Ramos.
55-36.
10 seconds to shoot. Manalese to Zizon. 2 points for Zizon. Magtalas pass to Gutierrez. Ito na si Gutierrez. Gutierrez na breakaway. Pass to Rana. No good. Manalese. Manalese. Pass to Ramos. Ramos for 3. No good. Ready Magtalas. Pass
Ako
to
din nagulat.
Gutierrez.
Sorry naman, Kenneth.
Second personal foul, penalty. Too close, ball. Gutierrez.
Bigot ng power bank. O, kakain na. Luto na ulam.
Back to the barricade, too close for Gutierrez. First place good para kay Gutierrez. Second goal, ready to first.
Kasi... Sorry, malikot.
2 out of 2 free throws for Gutierrez. Azares, alas pa yaman.
Aras pare!
15 to shoot. Manalese. Pass to Chavez. Position sa ilalim. To Chavez. 10 seconds. Manalese for 3. Robert. Bautista. Bautista to yaman. It's a turnover. Substitution red. Bautista. Azares, setting the play. Pass to Manalese. Pass to Ramos. 15 to shoot. Ramos, sabi ko diskarte. 10. Azares for 3. Short. Net good ball.
57-38. Melbourne.
King, King. Di, iyan mo. Siya. Bispas pare.
Gutierrez, Pascualama, to Montalas. Foul. Penalty. Who's foul there? Foul committed to this number 13 season. It's your first personal foul. Penalty to goes for Montalas. First throw. First throw is good by Montalas. Second throw, ready to first.
Oh.
2 out of 2 free throws for Montalas.
Nice game.
Aras pare.
Asares to Ramos.
Kape, kay Tolitz na, kay Tolitz.
Season sa ilalim. Season, ito sa Rizal. Foul committed by person number 21. Rosales, Senyor. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 throws for season. First throw.
Hindi ko hanapin. Yun. Middle quarter ba?
First throw is good para kay season. Second throw, ready down first. Two out of 2 for season. Montalas to Gutierrez to the shoot. Gutierrez. Back to shoot. Gutierrez to Montalas to Ramos.
Malayo ako sa announcer. Sorry.
6.9 seconds.
Pa-shoutout kay Apple. Apple.
Kay Apple, pa-shout out. Apple? Oo, Apple.
Apple?
Apple? King. Oo, Apple.
Wala si Poy eh.
There's a reset foul. It's foul red. Foul going into jersey number 21. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Rebound tayo rebound.
One throw para ng mga kasi ready jumpers.
59-42. Melbourne.
Under the rebound of pass.
Ako!
Metas 37 minutes. Gutierrez pass to Tapes. Again, 2 fouls. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. Astares. Putlit to shoot. Analyze the exacting moves. Here's it up. No, we're going to pass.
Ako!
Pass to Gutierrez. Drive. Number 20. Sabes to Analyze. Thank you. Passing by first half. Occasion score 61-42 in favor of Melbourne.
Kanina may ulam eh. Ngayon may plastic na. Hindi na masarap.
Back to the ball game, starting the third quarter.
Sunog na nga. Kaya amoy plastic na.
Esteban.
Shout out kay Angela Barbal.
Para sa may season. Esteban. Pass to
One
Bautista. To Bautista.
Pagkatapos na rin.
Pass to Yana. Pero dito shot. Okay, driven ni Ramos. Casares. Casares alas kay Yana. Pass to Manalese. Deep to shoot. Ramos. 2 points.
Yan, ganyan lang ba? Yes!
Yana. Pass to Bautista. To Gutierrez. 15 to shoot. Gutierrez alas kay Chavez. There's a whistle. Foul by jersey number 2. Chavez, it's your second personal foul. First team foul.
Eman, tuwa!
Shot clock 14. Ortiz of Esteban. Elisa.
Foul kay Masicano. 13.
Foul by jersey number 13. Season, it's your substitution. Season, it's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw for Esteban. Bonus throw ready to through.
College ng shirt no. Si Mark.
No good. Rimoni. Ramos. To Asares. Asares entering the play. 15 to shoot. Asares for Versa. 2 points for Asares. Gutierrez. Gutierrez penetrates. Pass to Yana. Nawala. It's a turnover.
Police, yung bako sa ano?
Manalese. To Asares.
Screen, meron din screen.
15 to shoot. Asares penetrates to Castillo. Okay, there's a whistle. Foul committed to jersey number 3, Bautista. It's good. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 points for Castillo. First throw. First throw. Second throw for the Buccaneers.
Dala, huwag dyan, dyan! Dala, dito, tumarap!
Esteban to Gutierrez. Gutierrez, para sa may season. Gutierrez, 15 to shoot. Gutierrez. For 3! Gutierrez, 3!
Hi Son, shout out. What?
Asares,
Watching from?
15 to shoot.
Layo ah.
Kumanalayan sa gitna, Manalese to Castillo. Castillo, there's a whistle again. Foul by jersey number 3, Bautista. Substitution. Bautista is sure.
Watching from Cuenca City.
Second team foul. Two throws again for Castillo.
66-47 po, Melbert.
First throw is good. Second throw for the others.
Shout out kay Yanga. Layo ako sa layo mo. Pasilito.
Silito, sinasabi.
Teka lang. Tumatakbo na.
Gutierrez, Benitez, yan, pinasahan namin siya out. No good. Iwan ni Manalese. Ismael Esteban. Esteban, perimeter shot, it's good. 2 points for Esteban.
Galing kay John Michael Flores.
Asares entering the play.
Perry.
Entering the ball.
Ano yun na, bawi? Talo, sa baba mo na kami.
68-49.
Entering the play.
Team, umalis ka dyan, team. Umalis ka dyan.
Gutierrez, deep 3. Gutierrez, 3.
Sino first game?
Alive.
Sino first game? Ano po? Wildcats po. Wildcats ang nanalo.
Ramos. Lumilis natin. The finisher. Ramos Manoy. Ramos!
Woo! Pa-shoutout daw yung si Diego. Sabi ni Joanne.
Gutierrez. Gutierrez on his full season. Using the screen. Gutierrez breaks. Gutierrez, lumipad! Gogo, Delevating Bautista. Bautista, Gogo, Delevating Gonzalez. Ramos, full season.
Ganda.
Magbalas na madali. Pastoyan, inis na. Same ball.
Sorry, ang bilis ng ano, comment. Hindi ko na nakita. Nasaan na?
Magbalas to, Bautista. 2 points for CJ Bautista. What an apple play. Asares to Manalese. To Ramos, the finisher from Luisel. Paul, the representation number 1 first baseman foul. 13 foul, substitution.
Shoutout daw yung si Diego. Galing kay Konsehala Joanne.
Season, on the board, pass to Asares to Manalese. 10 seconds. Offensive foul, iniwan the screen. Number 21.
Sinong yanga yan? Sino ba nasa loob? Sinong yanga nasa loob?
Magdalas, setting the play. Magdalas, penetrates, pass to Bautista. Bautista, 2 points for Patrick Bautista. Manalese. Manalese, setting the play. Manalese, 15 to shoot. Manalese plays. Manalese, 6 moves.
Time out.
Official score 75-22 in favor of Melbourne. Remaining time 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
One boots na. Sabi ni Jello.
Magdalas, setting the play, 15 to shoot. Magdalas, perimeter shot. Ready, Delevating. Asares. Pass to Ramos. Ramos. Ramos, penetrates.
Boss.
Asares. Pass to Puri. Steal.
Ha, ingat.
Bautista, 2 points.
Ingat, James.
Ito na, si Magbalas. Magbalas, pass to Rosales to Esteban for 3. And for 2.
All yours.
2 points.
Atik, wala atik! Atik!
Picture.
Atik,
Magbalas,
alis dyan!
setting the play.
Alis! Bilis!
10.
Bira!
Yun na.
5.
Inang yung pinatunay.
Okay, Raymond Gonzalez, pass to Manalese. Manalese.
Likod!
Manalese.
Woo! Sayang.
Number 21, Gonzalez is there. Arning for penalty. 2 throws for Manalese. First throw.
Oo, tayo. Naikot yan. Ay, sorry po.
Second goal, and first. Two on two for Manalese.
77-56.
Gutierrez. Gutierrez again for three. Mainit na naman. Gutierrez, three. Nakainin bumababa. Hindi pa sa amin ng friend. Mayabang na boy. Ramos bumalik. Number. Riley Rosales. Pass to Gutierrez. Ito na si Molina. Mawalik. It's a zero.
Parang si Tanggal.
Bautista. Pass to Gutierrez na naman. Mainit na naman. Gutierrez. Three. Mainit na naman.
83-56.
Melbourne. Yung leadership. Pasa naman sa gitna. Para sa likod. Ibira. Logo pa rin. Rimondi. Mara. Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Nagbabali. Pasto Yawa. Goodbye. Para sa Lito. Yawa. Azares. Winning first innings. The leadership. Azares. Isa.
Marami na.
Gutierrez, American Philippines. Gutierrez na naman! Ang iingin talaga ng kamay. 3 points for Colin Gutierrez. Bumis-mis na bumis-mis. Huli. Pas. Back to Huli. Manalese. Manalese. Lupal. Over. Limani. Manalese na rin. Manalese. 2 points. Ito na. Gutierrez na naman. Stop and pump. Pasok pa rin. 3 points for Gutierrez.
Matukoy.
Azares. Pasto Castillo. 2 points.
Nice.
Pagkariya kayo sa parin. Ewan ko na lang. Ito na naman o. Gutierrez na naman. Ang layo na yung boy. Kaya iwan po rin. Pasto Castillo. Castillo is not over. Rivalatan. To Rosales. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Rosales to Yama. Yama. 2 points. Yuri. 3 points. Bumalik. Remaining time 1 minute and 23 seconds. Gutierrez. Gutierrez using the screen. Gutierrez. 15 to shoot. Gutierrez to run. To Gutierrez to Bautista 10. Bautista lays it up. No good. Ribani. Azares. Mas to Manalese. Manalese is couple number 3. Manalese 3.
Woo!
Pahabol na. Baba.
93-66.
Gutierrez. Gutierrez by 15 to shoot. Then Gutierrez na naman for 3. No good. Ribani. At down. To Bautista. 10 to shoot.
Swing na, swing!
At down. No good. Ribani 3.
Wala siyang tukoy.
29 seconds. Shot is off. Using the game clock. Gutierrez. Gutierrez for three. Gutierrez for three. Manalese. Official score 96-66. Terminating by Red Bull.
Wala na wala.
Back to the ball game. Manalese. Tupuri. Sini atas. Pagbalas. Pagbalas. Pastor Esteban. And it up. 2 points. Number 11, Bautista. Bautista. Bautista, pass to Magpalas, Hayes. Magpalas to Bautista. No good. Naputmak na, 2 points. What a connection between these two players. Luis Rosales. Dallas, we're side. Very good. Riva de Ramos. Ramos, pass to Manalese. 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 Hey, wala.
Okay lang, okay lang! Okay lang, o patay na ulit, uy! Tapat!
Bautista. Elgin, Riva de Ramos. Antonas Ramos. Pass to Manalese.
Kapit!
To Asares, back to Manalese. Extra.
Oh! Maalat siya sa malapit niya yun.
Position number 24. Second personal foul.
Start! Oo nga, matindi na.
Oscar for Asares. Slow.
172.
Una, kanina ito.
Magbalas. To take the shoot. Pass through. Esteban for 3. Very good. Riva de Puri. Pass through. Still pass to Esteban. Short. Riva de Puri. 15 to shoot. Magbalas for 3. Very good. Riva de Manalese.
Bilis!
Asares, pass to Puri. For 3. Very good.
Wala, baba, baba!
Pass to Bautista. Ito na naman si Bautista. Pass to Esteban. 2 points. Puri. Pass to Ramos. 2 points for Ramos.
Tapat, tapat, baba!
Umagtalas. Yama, perimeter shot. It's good. 2 points for Yama.
Sportsmanship.
Yama, 2, Bautista. Okay, rebounding. Stella, between the shoot. Two points. Timeout is Steamworks. Saka lang timeout ng Steamworks. Back to the ball game.
Shoot oh.
Number 2, Emily Bautista.
Diretso, pare! Swing, swing tayo, swing! Swing na! Pasa na! Pasa! Nice one!
Again, 2 points. Ramos. Penetrate. 8 points.
Shot! Baba! Baba! Baba!
2 points for Ramos.
Passing, passing! Pasa na! Swing tayo, swing, swing! Yeah, wala!
Rebound ni Boy.
Hello! Sipa ko!
Esteban.
Passing, pass!
And the shoot. Foul. Violation. Medford.
Konti na lang. Makakaluso tayo. Wow. May pag ang higanti ng api.
Okay, rebound is Esteban.
Nice day! Please, please, please! Let's go! Please!
Kabalita mo na. Uy, sino mo na ako? Steam banana, banana. pa yung
Bautista.
Kawawa na siya ng aso. Kape, parang batuloy.
2 points.
Pusa nga, pusa. Buhay.
Ramos for 3 points for Ramos.
Hindi ko alam saan niya ito.
Sino kaya bukas?
Tama ako. Tama, kaya sabi ko nga natin, hindi ka pagsasabi ko sa iyo kami. Kaya sabi natin,
2 points for Ramos.
tapos sabi ko kanina, hindi ka nag-birthday si Mama Friday. Hindi natuloy ko alam birthday. Ay, Webes pala, Webes. Sorry!
Sable, 15, 14, shot clock.
Oo, ngayon nga. It's birthday. Ano?
Iwan
Hindi,
na
Friday.
Ramos.
Kayo mo naman. Friday yun eh.
Stopping one more screen. Very good, Lee. Gonzalez.
Sumakit din yung yan ni Mama. Nung sabi, swimming na lang daw. Uy, may tulong.
2 points.
Yun na ang ginagawa natin. 112.85.
Tribute ko rin eh. Joke lang. 8 seconds nga, tribute. 8 seconds, tribute.
And shoot.
Tira. Shoot. Baba na, baba.
Balik ka kay coach.
Baba na. Baba.
2 points for Ramos.
Loko ni, hagdan.
The Stones. Ramos. Very good. Ramos back. 2 points.
8 seconds, tribute.
Main time, 1 minute.
Formula, basketball.
Uy. Pa. Hindi naman nabot ka na yun. Ba't hindi ko pa pasok?
Aabot pa yan
Nice. 92-112.
Si ano?
Mama. Kapagbura pa siya na yung polo.
Tribute na lang.
1 minute and 10.
Uy!
Wow! Who's foul ref? Foul by jersey number 13, Yaman.
Wala na yan ako.
Yaman is your second personal foul. Second team foul. Two points for Gonzalez. That's 1 minute.
Tugmuran!
Panis.
2 points.
Tribute! Lagi yan si tribute eh. Wait naman.
Foul.
8 seconds tribute for
40 seconds. And the next one, 3 points.
26 seconds for
24. Remaining time.
Tribute nga, tribute.
Drawing mo na lang yan.
Tapos, aray ko.
And that's it for our game on. Congratulations, Heather, for winning your game.
Player, Kunin, 44 points.
Swerte talaga yung Somay.